Ryo, what are you doing?
I buy balls.
What's in there?
Balls.
Balls? What kind of balls?
Dump.
Tennis balls?
No. Dump. I pop in there.
Woo!
I pop in there.
Alright, put them back in.
Put this in.
Owen's created a nice little mess here.
Put this a bit.
You want to put that one in too? But it only fits 3. Only fits 3 tennis balls. Oh. It doesn't fit. Nope, it doesn't fit.